One take, this is NBA One Take featuring yours truly, Pretty Boy Lakers. NBA One Take for your head. NBA One Take for your brain. Coming to you live, Brooklyn, New York. This is NBA One Take on the aftermath of the versus battle between LOX and DIPSET as the bloodbath, which I did not see coming, with the LOX dismantling DIPSET and was really, I'm gonna tell you something, JADAKISS, as much as I love this dude, he is underappreciated as a hip-hop performer. I mean, there's people out there that says, yo, look, nigga, I know about Kiss, I know about Kiss. No, I mean, this right here just showed the lie. And how D-Block, they was ready. And they was prepared. While DIPSET, it's like they was out of unison. You know, especially, you know, JUELZ and Jim Jones. You know, Jim is my man, but it's like I don't think they was prepared. D-Block was ready. They had no drinks or anything like that. They knew they had to be on stage and perform. I think Cameron should have attempted to try to take control, but then sometimes it was just off balance. And JADAKISS was saying it, oh, yeah, know the words. And this is real hip hop. This is a real, they made it a hip hop show. And they was doing it like some with a versus battle before they really had, you know, they was doing it more on singing the song present state. D-Block turned into a hip hop show and it was over after that. You know, Cam had great moments, but I compare it to Cam going out there. It's like, no disrespect, it's like LeBron going up against the Golden State Warriors with Steph, Clay, and Durant. You don't have a freaking chance, bro. No matter how good you are. It's too much to overcome. And the LOX tore them up. And you know, I'm from Harlem, so I was a little biased. But I thought that they would have been tight, stage presence, and ready to come in this somewhat like D-Block. But they was ready. And JADAKISS, he had the reins. You know, Sheik Luke was at in the beginning, but then Jada just said, look, I got the transmission in my back. And I think if Cameron would have did it and had the guys, I think they would have made it more of an entertaining battle. But It would have been closer. That was a slaughter. That was a slaughter. That was... I'm trying to think. It was any versus... Well, Keith Sweat versus Bobby Brown was bad, and I told people that. I'm like, yo, Keith Sweat smoking Bobby. I said, he's smoking Bobby. I said, Bobby needs to bring out New Edition and have them out there with him. But I just had to talk about that. But this is part 3 of NBA free agency and frenzy with the NBA. And Duncan Robinson is getting a 5-year deal, $90 million with the Miami Heat to boost up that team. So Miami's going to be looking crazy next season after getting Kyle Lowry. They're going to be deadly next season. Hell, so they're going to be crazy. DeRozan's come back to the Knicks, 3-year, $43 million deal. This is good. DeRozan has some good spots. It's good to see him get a nice deal. And we ain't committed to play in New York with Tom Thibodeau. And so that's a good sign. Matt Struss got a 2-year deal, 3.5 to play with the Heat. Daniel Tice get a 4-year, $36 million deal with the Houston Rockets. That's a good deal. Kind of questionable for me. I'm not a great fan of paying a guy like that much money, but that's Houston. Gary Trent Jr. get a 3-year, $54 million deal with Toronto. Somewhat of a good rate. He got some shooting and things, you know, but I don't know. Portland probably should have paid him that and kept him instead of paying Powell that kind of money, but we'll leave that alone. Trae Young gonna get a 5-year, $207 max extension. Well deserved for Ice Trae. He's the man in Atlanta. Barring that injury he had, the Hawks most likely would have been in the finals. Giannis or no Giannis? That's what I'm saying. That's crazy to say that, but it's true. Cody Zeller get a 1-year deal with Portland. Rudy Gay gets a 2-year deal to go to the Utah Jazz. That's a good pickup. James Johnson is getting a 1-year deal coming to the Nets. So that's just added veteran presence there, toughness. Rodney Hood's going to get a 1-year deal, go to the Bucks. Bruce Brown's going to get returned to the Nets with a 1-year, $4.7 million deal. Hard worker. Belisha is going to go to the Golden State Warriors with a 1-year deal. Sam Decker, haven't heard that name in a long time. I've been overseas for a while. He's going to get a 1-year deal with the Raptors. Andre Drummond is going to get a 1-year deal to go to the Sixers. It's going to be interesting. I know it's basketball, but it's all fun and games. But Drummond and B got a little history, which is just funny to me. But let's see where that goes. You know how they're gonna do with that. Robin Lopez is gonna get a 1-year deal, go to the Orlando Magic. Patty Mills is getting a 2-year, $12 million deal, go to the Nets. This is a big signing for the Nets. Adding the guy, people, this man brings fearlessness, shooting, everything, and he's just a light in the bottle. And to go to the Nets, it looks like he's just won a win now moment, you know, and this is gonna be a real good pickup for the Nets. And Steph Curry is getting a 4-year, $215 million extension. Well deserved. They're showing loyalty, and you're paying him, one of the best players in the league, one of the faces of the NBA. It's in all the commercials. You pay him that money, and you figure everything else out. And my man Carmelo Anthony is going to come to the Lakers with a 1-year deal, teaming with LeBron for the first time. I mean, they've been teammates on Team USA, but this is gonna be epic. Yeah, Melo was not that same type of player he once was, but he can still shoot, he can still score in bunches, and this is much needed, and I'm so happy about that. And Malik Monk is going to be coming to the Lakers as well, scoring. This is going to be real good. The Lakers are going to be really entertaining this season. Made some defense concerns, but they'll figure it out. And Tony Snell get a 1-year deal with Portland. And the last thing is DeMar DeRozan is getting a 3-year, $85 million deal to go to the Chicago Bulls in a sign and trade. This is big. This is big. This is big blockbuster stuff here. And DeRozan, they go there on the wings with Zach LaVine, Lonzo Ball. It's going to be a highlight show. It's going to be, if they can play in sync in unison and move the ball, they're going to be very, very, very dangerous in the Eastern Conference. Very, very dangerous. This is really a big time pickup. Because I think DeMar DeRozan wasted 3 years in San Antonio. But you ain't hear that from me. I think he wasn't used right, but it's a learned experience. But this is going to be a big thing. The Bulls is on their way. This is NBA One Take Pretty Boy Laker, and I'm out.